Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel and to my January kit lineup. If you caught my video last week, you will know that I am using kits in 3 planners this year. My filming camera, which is my main memory planner, my off-camera planner, which is just an opportunity for me to do some planning on my own, like memory planning style, and my pre-planner. So without any further ado, let's get into these lineups. Okay, so we're going to start with my memory planner, which is the planner you will see videos of here on the channel every week, I hope, if I manage to keep up with things. And this is the one where I will pair, like, as well as a foil bundle, I'll pair underlays. In my off-camera planner, I am just using a foil bundle and keeping things simple. So first up, we have 2024 from Plannerface Co. This was like the not quite exclusive, but like exclusive collab, that's the word. I think this was with Lina Designs, but I preferred Plannerface Co.'s format, and I'm not going to go over kit formats, but I think the colours of this are just absolutely perfect for New Year, and this is for the week of the 1st of January. She's got these foldable stickers here, and I think this is her latest format, but I have a feeling she was mentioning in a video updating things. I have printed 2 copies of these pages because I always run out of little things. I don't love the curved boxes, but it is what it is. Other things I have pulled in, I've got this Scribble Prints Co. icon sampler from 2022 bestsellers. It was a freebie. And then foil wise, I am going with Sparkly Hollow in the New Star format. So that is this. I haven't pulled in Bougie because the underlays in the bundle are stars, so that kind of does me for Bougie. Although this is Sparkly Hollow, it's not quite. It's got like stars. I don't know whether you can see. Oh yeah, there you can see. It's got stars in the foil. I'll just try and get I mean, the icons showed it pretty well. I now can't get this to Bougie at all. But yeah, anyway, that is the format. I then have I'm going to use these solid headers there. I have a matte sampler and an extra sheet of Bougie, and that should pretty much have me covered. Quick spoiler warning here for the Plannerface Advent. I am going to show a kit from that now. So on to the week of the 7th of January, we have this snowed in kit from Plannerface, and I am obsessed with this. I think it's perfect. It's perfect cozy vibes. Absolutely stunning, feels perfect for January. It was the Advent, so I do have a few various extras that I wouldn't necessarily normally have, like those washi icons, and I will also have the as well as the box add-on, which I normally get, I will also have the glitter add-on, which I don't normally get there. Then I've also pulled in this little sheet of icons from Plannerface from a freebie bag, and I am of course pairing the foil this came with, and it will be my first Plannerface foil bundle. It is this beautiful, beautiful silver foil in a sort of snowflake wintry pattern. I am pulling in some Bougie underlays with that, and that is the bottom washi, which I have 2 copies of because that's kind of how the Advent worked for me. And then I am also pulling in from my shop, these aren't released yet and are very definitely oops. We have these Sparkly Hollow. It's kind of a sparkly line in Jigsaw. As I say, these are oops. There's obviously quite a lot of misfoiling, but I will put these over the top of the underlays in the kit, and I think that will work perfectly. So I'm super excited for that one, which is snowed in. For the week of the 14th of January, I am going to be using this Rainstorm kit from Plannerface again. I haven't said that I am now back on the Plannerface PR team, so you can get a discount by using Tilly for 10% off, and if you mention me in the notes, you will get one of the 6 randomised freebies, seasonal freebies there. So yeah, but this is Rainstorm. I absolutely love this art. You might see a theme that these are all kind of cozy and cozy inspired. Again, I've tried to pull in a sampler for every week, so that's there. And then with this, I am gonna go purple foil, and I feel like this purple just matches beautifully with this kit. This is the newest, I believe, Scribble Prints Co. confetti format. So they're your full box pages, your Bougie pages, which again I am gonna double up on my underlays, the icons and scripts, and the bottom washi. There is a slight sparkle in this purple, which is perfect because it kind of brings in those pinks as well. And then my underlays from my shop, I'm using this new, I've called it Rain in my listing, in my, well no, on the file name it's called Rain, because that's kind of what made me think of it. I wanted to sort of this rain sort of pattern. It's not, yeah, but it's basically a load of lines, but I've got that in silver foil, and I think the silver foil overlaid with those purple sparkles is just gonna look chef's kiss. On to the week of the 21st of January, we are using Frozen Woods, which is from last year there, and this is another Butte SPC kit. I really like the colours of this. I've kind of tried to mix up the colours from blues and greens. Got the hand boxes there, and that's your pattern boxes. Then I also have the family add-on with the brunette, because that's what I am, and your date covers there. I possibly won't keep these date covers because I'll probably use the light blue as the one day, but we'll see. I happened to get the Frozen Woods sampler, so I also have that. I'm going with Sparkly Hollow there here, and this is a Caress Press Snowflake bundle. It is in the newer format, so has plenty of things to be working with, and again it does just have the simple bougie, which I'm probably not going to layer with this one, and then I'm going proper out there with some nice teal foil for the underlays. I just think that will bring in the teal of the kit beautifully. Like, look how well that matches that teal. I think it will really make the teal pop, and teal being one of my favourite colours, how can I resist that? And then last but certainly not least, for the week of the 28th, in my memory planner, we have Walking in the Rain by Plannerface. This is beautiful Kitnish Jess art. Yes, there are lots of cozy vibes, I did say that over and over again, and just the blues and the purples of this screamed winter to me, so I just had to pull it in. So lots and lots of options here. Sorry, falling over things. Then I have pulled in this sampler. It doesn't match quite as well, but the blues work. The green isn't really in the kit, but there's like flecks of green, and I think that will all work just fine. And then foil wise, I'm just keeping it relatively simple and pulling in this Lavender Hollow, there we go, Lavender Hollow Confetti there from Scribble Prints Co. Again, I can't remember, this is old format with the old scripts and icons, but that's absolutely fine, not a problem for me. And with that, I am bringing in these blue clouds, because I think there's lots of little cute clouds pulled in through this kit, and I just thought this would work lovely, and the bright blue just kind of brightens up. I'd be better with like a blue-grey, but there's not a blue-grey foil, this is the blue I have that I thought matched best, so there's that there. And that is it for my main memory planner. We are going to now go through my off-camera planner a little bit quicker. So we are starting off with Sparkle, which is last year's Sadie Piper's New Year's art, but I am using it for this year. I love the colours of this. Yeah, it's not my vibe, that's why I haven't used it before, but yeah, Happy New Year there. I am excited for this one. I think it's going to look awesome, and of course pairing this with a purple foil, because purple is my jam. As I said, I am just using just the foil bundle in this kit because it is just for me, and I'm only going to put like 8 things down a day. It's just going to be somewhere I can play for a little bit of time. So yeah, that is for the week of the 1st of January. On to the week of the 7th of January, we are using a Caress Press kit. I think this is the first Caress Press kit we've seen. This is October Mystery last year. The lovely blues and grey blues there. You know what? This would have looked awesome with knitted underlays. I think this again is Sadie Piper art. So that's there. That is definitely the colours I'm going to do for my sidebar. And then there it was a replacement box. I think I probably got it somewhere for this here. Yep, it's there. And that is the whole kit. And I am just keeping it simple with silver sparkle foil. Again, this is a Caress Press bundle, the new format. So that will be nice and easy to work with and pull in. because, you know, everything will be sized perfectly. So that is the October mystery for the second week of January. On to the third week, which is the week of the 14th, we are using the Black Friday, Cyber Monday freebies from this year from Plannerface. I have tons of these. I will probably have enough to do a second spread, but I just thought this was a good way to use this. So here is what I've got. I've got literally all of the freebies, and oh my god, I'm not going to use the journaling kit in this planner, am I? So I'll pull that out to use in the journaling kit, and then this is the standard vertical kit. Quick flip through both of Plannerface formats. These ones with the like stumpier tops are her current format, so there's that. So you can see that that is her current format. And then I got this freebie for being subscribed to the newsletter. This was the all orders freebie, and then this is just an extra one, and I love that this is like a whole flat lay of 4 boxes, super cute. And then you've got some more journaling bits there. With that, I am pairing it with my Cyber Monday mystery foil bundle from 2022 from my shop. This is an oops version, but it was this wintry in ice blue. I just think that will work really nicely with this kit. I just think it's stunning. I have some leftovers from an old version as well, and these are the underlays. As I say, this is obviously oops, but yeah, beautiful. I am looking forward to it. There is none of these foil combinations or kits I am not excited to use, so I don't know why I'm saying it like that. On to the week of the 21st, I think, of January. In my off-camera planner, we have this Plink Diamond Planner Co. October 22 mystery. I am trying to use up some of my older kits. Everyone was obsessed with this when it came out. There are aspects I love, like this little foxy, but it's just not one of my favourite kits, and I just want to, like, I want to use it, and I want to use it a lot, enough to, you know, use it. And I do think the Darcy Fashion Girls are, like, beautiful, but I got this, like, expecting to love it, and I was just with it like, it's alright. And then with that, I am going to be pairing this navy blue foil. It looks a bit brighter on camera than it is in real life, but it's like a navy blue, and I just think that will work nicely. It is the old star format. We've seen this a couple of times now with the star bottom washi, which I prefer, but the lack of a double box in these, which annoys me a little bit. On to the last week, which is the week of the 28th. We have our last Plannerface kit for these planners, and this is Frozen Lake. This is a you know what I'm trying to say, I'm sure. So this is Frozen Lake, absolutely beautiful, super exciting. I'm not doing anything in January that makes me want to use specific kits for at the moment, as far as I know, but we'll see. That's all of the add-ons and stuff, and then I thought we'll keep things nice and neutral and simple, because I think the colours are a bit more neutral and simple with this kit. And I am pulling in mixed metal, matte bronze and matte silver, so they're your 4 boxes. Your bougie is the matte bronze and matte silver. I don't know if you can even see that. You can see that with the script and icon page, the bottom washi, and then I do have some extras from another time I've used this kit, which is not that helpful because I'm only going to be using 16 bougie boxes, but oh well. So that is it for my 2 memory 7x9 planners. Last but not least, we are going to move on, and I'm going to show you the one kit I am using in my pre-planner, which is a B6 planner, and that is going to be Winter Dream. This is an old format of a Plannerface kit, and it's a reformat of beautiful, beautiful art that I was obsessed with. The spread I did with this was one of the first spreads I got in Premium Matte, and I became obsessed from then. So this is Winter Dream, and I am going to be using this in my B6. I'm not quite sure how it will go, where things will go, how much I will need, but we are going to give that a go and see how we get on with it. I might not need the full kit, I might need more. If I run out of this kit, I am going to pull in these 2 pages from Creating & Co for a week or something, so that I can, you know, use up the things I have, essentially. So yeah, that's kind of it for my B6. After this month, I will have a bit of a better idea of how things are going to go and what I need. So that is it for this video. Comment like down below, are we twinning on any kits? Do you love or dislike any of my foil combos? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to chat about it. If you want to see me put these 5 spreads here together, do like, subscribe, all that kind of jazz. I will be sharing the spreads as I do them of these 5. My off-camera planner I will share at some point. It'll probably just be in a flip through, and again, same with my B6. I will probably just share it once it's done, certainly until I've got the groove of that. Anyhow, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to get back into pre-planning and things in the month of January. That's why I wanted to get this filmed today, because I'm like, I want to play in my new B6 functional. So I'm going to go away and do that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!